Hey YouTube, how's it going guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install the PPSSPP emulator. If you guys know what this is basically a PSP emulator that you can use. I've actually got the game of the original God of War downloaded right here and I can start playing it. But this is the PPSSP fully working emulator, and if you go load into the game, it's going to have controls and stuff like that. And there's heaps of settings you can download. Now, normally on the PPSP to get this, you need to download some other software. Today, I'm going to show you how to download it today. That is with no revokes, no jailbreaking, none of that. All you do is simply go to the website, it installs it, and this will work every single time. So this will save you a lot of time, guys. And there's no need to download any other stuff. No computer required, which is the best way. And as you guys can see, this is all working now. This isn't the gold version, of course, but there's also, everything's completely working. We can go to games, and then that will start loading the God of War game, and you got controls like there, but I'm not going to wait for it to load. But as you guys can see, that is the PPSSP download right there. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to get this. It is completely free to download. Now, if you're on iPhone, there are going to be some settings we'll have to check. So go over to settings on your phone and go to general, okay? Click on general. Scroll down, you're gonna see background app refresh. Click on that and make sure this is on. So if this is on, guys, you'll be able to download this. This is default for like every single app, so don't worry about that. So make sure that is on, guys, and that's all you're gonna need. Next, we can go ahead and go install the PPSSPP emulator. So what you wanna do is head over to Safari. Now, it does come with games, however, you will have to download extra games you want, and that's super easy. I can show you in a different video how to do that. But for the sake of this one, we're just going to install the emulator. So what you're going to do is just type in PPSSPP again, and you're going to see that the PSP emulator, iOS and Android. So just go ahead and click on that, guys, and then just press Start Installation. And that's going to begin to install the emulator to your device. So yeah, literally that easy. I'm just going to go ahead and download it, downloading the PPSSP emulator. So we wait for this, just installing. Okay. Installing. Now this is normal, guys. This is completely normal. Like, it usually you gotta wait like about a minute for it to basically install to your computer. Your iPhone or Android, sorry. Wait for this little green bar to finish, and then it should load the next little stage here. So let's go ahead and get this, wait for this. And it's gonna go ahead and take you to the PSP installer. So basically, to get this installed, you're gonna have to get it through some other things right here. And you're gonna need at least 2 of them to actually get it. So there's gonna be a full list. All you're gonna need is to get 2, guys, to get the installer. So what you wanna do is just go ahead and get 2 of them right here. So I'm gonna do this one. And these are all for free, guys, so don't forget that. All completely for free. So make sure you go ahead and get at least 2 of them. So I'm gonna download this one. Okay, cool. And we can go get, let's do this one. Now, some of these will say like, go ahead, create a free account, or do other stuff, like sign up for something. But remember, these are all for free, so don't worry about that. And this is the only way to basically get it without jailbreaking and doing all that other stuff. So you should now have, you won't have the app yet. You should now have 2 of these things. I don't know why that keeps saying waiting. But basically what you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and sign up for that one because that was easy. I don't know why this is waiting. Let's see, the app store, did something stuff up? All right, whatever. You get the gist. You have to do those 2 things, open it, sign up, whatever. It's super easy. Once you've got the PPSP, no, why it's not working. Once that's got that installed, guys, once you've got the app already installed, you can go ahead and delete these, like you won't need them anymore. So we can edit that and delete them. Don't know why that one's bugged, or well. Go ahead and delete that. And then you'll have this app installed and you can go ahead and open it up and everything will be working, no revoke. So hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If you do need any help, please drop a comment below. I can help you guys out. It's literally that easy. And this is working in 2021. So hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.